I know folks call this a monkey bike. I don't share the opinion. The original monkey bikes were Honda's Z series bikes, small, almost toy-like, mini-bikes from the 70s and 80s. They had 50cc engines, fat 5-inch tires and a seat height of about 22 inches. With handlebars that pulled the rider forward and low seat that splayed the knees at comical angles, riders were said to look like monkeys atop the little bikes. The thick tires of the Grom might be reminiscent of the old Z series bikes, but that's about where the resemblance stops. 12-inch tires, while still small for a motorcycle, are a lot bigger than the Z series tires, and a 30-inch seat height isn't going to splay anyone's knees unless you're really tall. The Grom is more like an in-between that crosses a scooter into motorcycle territory, like a street-legal pit bike, or you can call it a mini-bike on steroids. In either case, I wouldn't call it a monkey bike. That being said, Honda has dressed up their little Grom in 2017, giving it more aggressive styling and a new LED headlight that was carried over to 2018.